My name is Grant Townsend, and this is Lab 8, the pH lab for physical science. Right now, I have my red cabbage already cut up, and I got the water boiling. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to start adding my different liquids to the tray, my ice tray that I have. First, I'm going to add just the water. Add my water. Now I'm going to add the vinegar. I'm going to put my cabbage in the bowl because it looks like the water's just about boiled. Vinegar. I'm going to add my Sprite. I think I might have filled these little highs, so I'm going to dump this one out and put a little less of each in. Before I do that, I'm going to add my boiling water to my cabbage. I have my cabbage sitting in the boiling water. So I'm going to re-add my liquids to my tray because I filled it up a little too high. The water. The vinegar. I'm going to stir this. And the vinegar. The Sprite. The water and the cabbage are starting to produce a nice purple-blue liquid. So Sprite. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice. Now the milk. Now I have my 4 cups of water, so I'm going to mix in my baking soda and my laundry detergent solutions. Baking soda. And the laundry detergent. There's my laundry detergent solution. And here's my baking soda solution. Laundry solution. And you can see that the cabbage, the color and the water is getting nice and blue and purple. Alright. I think I've let this sit in there pretty good amount. And I have my strainer and my coffee filter in there to strain this out. Alright, now I'm going to strain out . Take this over to the sink. Now what I'm left with is a nice dark bluish purple liquid, indicator. So now I'm going to start adding the indicator to my different substances. Adding it first to the water. Now to my vinegar. Which immediately turned red. Now I'm going to add it to my Sprite. Which turned it a purplish color. Now I'm going to add it to my lemon juice. which also turned it a dark red color. Now I'm adding it to my milk. Which is turning almost a bluish, purplish color. Now I'm going to add it to my baking soda mixture. Which immediately turned green. And now I'm going to add it to my laundry solution. Which immediately turned blue. So, I'll give a visual of what it's looking like. That's what my tray is looking like now after adding the pH indicator to my different substances. So I'm going to write down my observations. So the water is I'd say the water has a pH of 8 based on the tray. The lemon juice is vinegar rather, is a darkish red color. So it's acid, and the approximate pH would be 2. Now to my Sprite mixture, I'd say a violet color. Sprite is violet. So it is also an acid, and the pH would probably be approximately 6. So that was the Sprite mixture. And then to the lemon juice, it has a pinkish purple color, almost more of a red. So I'm going to say red purple. And it would be acid. And I'd say it's about between the red and the purple, so at approximate pH of 3. That is the lemon juice. The milk is a bluish color to it. Yeah, I would say it's more of a blue. And it would be a base. Has a little hint in there. So I'd say its pH is probably around 8. The baking soda mixture is a very dark green. And I would say its approximate pH would be around 11, so it is a base based on the table. And finally, the laundry detergent is a blue. So it would be a base, and based on the blue, it has a little green look to it. I'd say the approximate pH would be between the blue-green and the blue, so a 9. Now I'm going to add vinegar to the baking soda and cabbage indicator to see what happens. Baking soda. Spoon. I'm gonna dry out my spoon. So now I'm going to add baking soda to the pH and vinegar solution. baking. Oh, whoops. I changed that. I'm adding vinegar to the baking soda and cabbage indicator. So, adding my vinegar to it. And as soon as I did that, it instantly turned pink. So, pink, it's like between a purple and red. I'd say that pH is probably now a 3. So it went from a base and then it instantly turned it into an acid when we added the vinegar. And those are my observations and me testing the different solutions for Lab 8, the pH lab.